Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Hopefully, you will be fine and greatly blessed with health. Today's topic is a good place, and today's lecture is third lecture of this topic. And let's see what's the activity of this topic. And today's our activity is about page number 20 and 21, and it's about the punctuation. First, see what is punctuation. Punctuation shows where a thought or an idea ends and a new one begins. ये punctuation हमें बताता है कि बताते से हमें आइडिया मिलता है कि एक बात या एक आइडिया या एक ख्याल कहाँ पर एंड हो रहा है और न्यू वन कहाँ से स्टार्ट हो रहा है. Punctuation is represented by punctuation mark, that is the symbol, and we have the some punctuation mark here. First one, comma, apostrophe, inverted commas, capitalization, exclamation mark, full stop, and the last one is the question mark. Comma is used for separating things or items or the sentences maybe. Second one, the apostrophe. The apostrophe is used for showing the possession of something, and it is also used in the contraction also, and for making the short form of the words like the cannot, can't, did not, didn't, and so many examples like this. Third one is the inverted commas. Inverted commas used when we have to show the exact word, when we have to use the exact words of a person. Capitalization, it means if we use the capitalization when we start a new sentence or we use and when we use the proper noun. Point number 5, exclamation mark. It is used for showing the some sudden feelings. It may be a sadness, it may be a happiness, it may be a some surprise one. Point number 6, full stop. Full stop is, as we know, that it is used at the end of a sentence simply. And the last one is question mark. Question mark is used when we make a interrogative statement, interrogative sentence. पॉइंट नंबर 1, कामा चीज़ों को या सेंटेंस के मुख्तलिफ पार्ट्स को अलग करने के लिए, अगर 2 सेंटेंसेस यूज़ कर रहे हैं या इससे ज़्यादा यूज़ कर रहे हैं तो उसमें भी हम कामास को यूज़ करते हैं, या अगर एक सेंटेंस में हम डिफरेंट आइटम्स यूज़ कर रहे हैं तो उसको भी सेपरेट करने के लिए कामा यूज़ करते हैं. अपोस्ट्रॉफी चीज़ों की पोजीशन शो करने के लिए या कंट्रैक्शन यानी कि शॉर्ट फॉर्म बनाने के लिए इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. इन्वर्टेड कामस जब हम किसी के वर्ड्स को, किसी पर्सन के, किसी पर्सनैलिटी के या इंटेलेक्चुअल के वर्ड्स को एग्जैक्टली यूज़ करते हैं तो वहाँ पर हम इन्वर्टेड कामस यूज़ करते हैं. कैपिटलाइजेशंस के भी 2 यूज़ हैं, एक सेंटेंस के आगाज़ में और दूसरा जब हम प्रॉपर नाउन यूज़ करते हैं. पॉइंट नंबर 5, एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क. जब हमने कोई सडन फीलिंग, खुशी वाली, हैप्पीनेस वाली, सैडनेस वाली या सरप्राइज़ वाली, ये 3 फीलिंग्स जब हमने किसी सेंटेंस के ज़रिए शो करनी है तो वहाँ पर हम ये एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क यूज़ करते हैं. फुल स्टॉप सिंपली सेंटेंस के एंड पे यूज़ किया जाता है नॉर्मल. क्वेश्चन मार्क इज़ यूज़, ये जब हम कोई सवालिया फ़िक्रा बनाते हैं या उसके लिए इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. लेट्स सी here some examples. Do you know the answer to this question? This point number 1 is a simple statement and it's a interrogative sentence and question, and we use the punctuation here. This is the punctuation question mark. Point number 2, Sarah's doll was lost yesterday. At the end we use the full stop, and for making the possession Sarah's doll, it becomes a possessive noun, and here we can see that the apostrophe s, and this is a possessive noun. यानी कि यहाँ पर हम देख सकते हैं कि अपोस्ट्रॉफी यूज़ किया जाए एस के साथ. यहाँ पे हम इसका यूज़ देख रहे हैं. पॉइंट नंबर 3, अली लिव्स इन पाकिस्तान. Ali is a, here we can see the first sentences of all these, first words of all these sentences, which is the capital. Okay, in the point number 3 we see that the Pakistan is the capital P of the Pakistan is capital because it is a proper noun. Similarly, we can see the in other sentences like the point number 6, Hassan, Faisal, Talha and Ahmed. These are the proper noun. Okay, in the point number 4, here we can see that the they, T is the capital because this is the second part and it's a new sentence. They met an accident. Okay, next move. Ali lives in Pakistan and it ends on a full stop. Alas, this sign is when we alas shows that certain feelings, sadness, they met an accident. ये खुशी वाली तो नहीं, ये गम वाली या दुख वाली है, फीलिंग्स है. तो इसके लिए हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं? एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क. दिस साइन इज कॉल्ड द एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क. Point number 5, Sarah said, inverted comma. This is the exact word of the Sarah, so we will use the inverted commas. Inverted commas open and close after the here, after prayers. Point number 6, Ahsan, Faisal, Talha and Ahmed are selected for the competition. In this sentence we can see that use of the comma for separating different things in different persons in the sentence. It's activity and another activity of page number 20 and 21. Add punctuation mark to the following and change small letters into capital letters where required. यानी कि जहाँ पर पंक्चुएशन की रिक्वायर है वहाँ पे यूज़ करें, और अगर कोई लेटर स्मॉल लेटर उसको कैपिटल करना है तो वहाँ पर उसको यूज़ करें. I went for a drive and it's a simple sentence. We use the full stop at the end of this sentence here. Point number 2, Ali, Usman, Zain and Naveed got prizes. It means there are 4 persons and to separate these persons we will use the comma. Ali, comma here, Usman, comma, Zain and Naveed got prizes. Did you notice? Hassan's changed behavior. What we do? We will add the punctuation mark we require in this sentence. And it means S A should be capitalized, S after the S, after the N and before the S. We'll use the apostrophe sign. Change behavior. Here we'll use a question mark because this is a interrogative sentence. Point number 4. The teacher said, always speak the truth. This is the exact word, always speak the truth of the teacher, so we'll use the inverted commas here. Start here and it ends here. Also full stop here. Oh, I forgot my glasses at home. It means this is a sadness and sentence showing some sorrow, so we'll use a exclamation mark here. Oh, exclamation mark, I forgot my glasses at home, exclamation mark. Here, this is the solution of this sentence. Okay, point number 1. Ali went for a drive. Here we can see that the full stop. Point number 2, Ali, Usman, Zain and Naveed got prizes. We use the comma to separate these words, these persons to each other. Point number 3, did you notice essence? It should be capitalized, S and inverted apostrophe will be used. Did you notice? Essence change behavior. This is the interrogative statement, so we will use the question mark here. Point number 4, the teacher said. This is the exact word of the teacher, so we will use the inverted commas open and close here. Point number 5, oh, I forget my glasses at home, so we will use the exclamation mark in these sentences on 2 points. Dear students, next move to the next activity. Punctuate the following paragraph. Once upon a time there lived a man. He once called his sons and asked them, "Do you love each other?" They all said yes. The man said, "Ah, this is what I want, always be united." Be united, love each other, and never fight. It is your father's wish. Dear students, what we have to do? We have to use the punctuation mark and also make the word capitalized where the required. जहाँ पर कोई ज़रूरत है पंक्चुएशन मार्क की वहाँ पर हमने यूज़ करने, और जहाँ पर कैपिटल करने वर्ड्स वहाँ पर यूज़ करने, अदरवाइज़ ये स्टेटमेंट हमें क्लियर नहीं होगी. Okay, here we can see that the punctuation use of the punctuation in the sentence once upon a time there lived a man. This is the first sentence. Okay, he once called his sons, उसने एक दफ़ा अपने बेटों को बुलाया, and asked them, comma, do you love each other? This is an interrogative statement. This is a question, so we will use and do you love each other? This, and here the question mark, it means this is an interrogative sentence and this is the exact word of that person, so we'll use also the inverted commas here. They, T should be capitalized. They all said, comma, yes. This is the word of the sons. Yes. Inverted commas, full stop, inverted commas close. The man said, T should be capitalized. Comma here. Ah, this is the exact word of that person. Ah, this is what I want, always be united. Love each other and never fight. And the sentence which start from here and close here. It is your father's wish. Inverted commas close. Dear students, I share these solutions to you for your ease, and you have to do it very carefully and make the punctuation properly so that you can get a good command on your work. If you have the problem then you can ask me. Dear students, मैंने ये कुछ एफर्ट किए आपके लिए ताकि you can, so that you can do it easily. आप इसको आसानी से कर सकें और मिस्टेक से अवॉइड कर सकें, और आपकी परेशानी को कम करने के लिए आई शेयर द सॉल्यूशंस and do it and practice it for your ease and for your betterment. Try to practice it on your notebook also, rough notebook, and take care of yourself. If you have the problem then you can ask me by commenting in the group. And thank you. Allah Hafiz.